barely, I mean, I'm just letting the tooth of the canvas just pull that paint off. Some stuff. I don't want to invent things. There's an old rusty gate in there that doesn't really matter. I'm not going to worry about that. Let's see here. I do want, while I've got this color, to change the temperature of that. That's warm light. The sun is shining directly on it, as it is this and this, so it makes it warm. This is not white. This is a, and you can see it more here. This is like a light Confederate blue kind of color. That it's a grayish blue, very light, but the sun's just overpowering it. So it's a very warm sun. That's warmer. It's more like this. I've painted it cool. Doesn't make sense. Now, if that was reflected light, like on the back swell, let's say this is the best probably example we have here. This is very cool because it's the reflection out of the sky. The blue sky is hitting this. The sun is hitting that. So I want to, and I don't have my little squirt off brush, which would make this a little easier. But I'm not trying to make this lighter or darker. I'm trying to change the temperature. I don't want that to be blue. And I may have to hit that a few times. Now there is, I'm going to add a little, just a touch of burnt sienna. There's some stuff, boxes, who knows what. Doesn't really matter. There's just stuff back here. Tobacco sticks or something. Probably what that is, to be honest with you. Let's put some light here. Let's put a little bit of stuff happening here to break that up. Gosh, isn't this fun? There's no reason to get stressed out over this stuff. So many people get stressed. Don't do it if it's stressful. That's psychotic, right? Let's see here. It's just really a white. This has got a little bit, smidge of blue, and it's the burnt sienna. So it's a warm, it's a dark orange. Maybe this may be an interesting little sidebar, right? There's my color, burnt sienna. See how beautifully, how warm, dark it is. Black I don't really get into. Ultramarine blue, cadmium red medium, cadmium yellow medium, and that is titanium white. And that's how I'm mixing. So for what that's worth, I'll probably do a video out of all these sometime where I bore you to tears and I just, show you the palette, show you, maybe just do a little, a couple minutes of painting and all you can see is me mixing the paints or something, picking them up. Ooh. Now there's a happy little daggone accident, right? Little Bob Ross moment. So there's yellow. Don't know where that came from. Well, I do. I touched into the yellow, but I didn't expect it to be near that mold. But while I've got it on my brush, we can fix this. Maybe a little too yellow. It's definitely not highlighted. The shadow obviously is wrong. Matthew, now that I look, has some yellow going smidge. Now I don't want to get carried away with that, because again, if it's not there, I don't want to invent it. But one thing that is there are these. Ooh, crazy there. Are these the fall colors? Now, as you see, I picked up yellow and red, and they didn't mix that well, which is cool. I'm good with that. Because the goal of this is basically just to make sure that everybody knows this is fall. It's the fall. And that's, I probably wouldn't have to do any more than that. I don't like that. I said I don't like that dark, but it's probably close to that. It just kind of looks dirty. I'll probably fix it. I know me. I'll probably fix it. So let's also fallify this stuff down in here too a little bit. Now I just licked my thumb, and I had paint on my thumb, so that's all. That's just awesome. But I got down in there too much. I didn't like that. I better stop, as I'm coming to the end of my lunch break. I've been going 40 minutes here, which is plenty. We'll do another one soon.